Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Gandhi went to Bombay to take the ship for England. Full stop. In Bombay, comma, the people of his caste, comma, who looked upon crossing the ocean as contamination, comma, threatened to excommunicate him if he persisted in going abroad, full stop. But Gandhi was adamant and was thus, comma, formally excommunicated by his caste, full stop. Undeterred, comma, he sailed on 4th September, comma, 1888, comma, for Southampton at the age of 18, full stop, paragraph change, having passed his examination, comma, Gandhi was called to the bar on 10th June, comma, 1891 and sailed for India 2 days later, full stop. When he reached Bombay, comma, he learnt to his profound sorrow that his mother had died, full stop. The news had been deliberately kept back from him to spare him from the shock. In a distant land, full stop, an offer from Dada Abdullah and co to proceed to South Africa on their behalf to instruct their counsel in a lawsuit, was a God-sent opportunity to young Gandhi, Gandhi jumped at it and sailed for South Africa in April 1893, full stop. It was in South Africa that this shy, timid youth of 24, inexperienced, unaided, alone, came into clash with forces that obliged him to tap his hidden moral resources and turn misfortunates into creative spiritual experiences, full stop. After about a week's stay in Durban, Gandhi left for Pretoria, the capital of the Transvaal, where his presence was needed in connection with a lawsuit, full stop, paragraph change. A first class ticket was purchased for him by his client, full stop, when the train reached Maritzburg, the capital of Natal, at about 9 p.m., a white passenger who boarded the train objected to the presence of a colored man in the compartment, and Gandhi was ordered by a railway official to shift to a third class, full stop, when he refused to do so, comma, a constable pushed him out and his luggage was taken away by the railway authorities, full stop. It was winter and bitterly cold, full stop. This was the turning point in Gandhi's life, full stop, stop.